If you have ever wanted to start freelancing and make money online, Fiverr is the perfect platform for you to get started. In this video, I'll show you how to earn your first dollar on Fiverr step by step without any previous knowledge required. Welcome champions, I am Blaze, and if you are new here, I help you start and grow profitable businesses. Whether you want to build a side hustle or grow your full-time freelancing career, you've come to the right place. If you're ready to learn how to make money on Fiverr, hit that subscribe button and let's get into today's video. So to get started on Fiverr, the first thing you have to do is to set up your Fiverr account. You need a valid email address and a password. You go to fiverr.com and you click on the sign up button. And after that, you fill out your profile with a professional photo and detailed bio that highlights your skills and services. Then from there, you choose a username that reflects your brand and the services that you're going to be offering on Fiverr. After that, the next thing you're going to do is to add a portfolio that showcases all your previous work experience if that's applicable to you. And of course, if you don't have any previous work experience, you have nothing to worry about. It's actually just to show your potential clients the quality of your services. Now onto this, it's also worthy for you to know that your profile is the very first impression that you give to your potential clients. So be sure to make it very clear, concise, and professional. The second thing for you to do after creating your profile on Fiverr is for you to create your first gig. Now on Fiverr, services are called gigs. For those of you who are just coming to the gig terms, this is where you actually offer your expertise. So what you need to do in order for you to create your first gig on Fiverr, you first of all need to become a seller. So to become a seller on Fiverr, you come over here to your profile. You see right here where you see this icon, you click on it and it brings out these options right here. And you're going to scroll over to become a seller. You click on become a seller. And of course, it brings you all the way right here. You click on this button that says become a seller. Once you are here, you go through these options carefully. It says ready to start selling on Fiverr. Here's the breakdown. And of course, you have to learn what makes a successful profile, create your seller profile, and then you publish your first gig. So for us to continue, you click on this continue button right here, and it brings you here where you can simply just go through what makes a successful Fiverr profile. Then after that, you click on continue. It brings you here as well. Let's talk about the things you want to steer clear of. And it's very important for you to understand how Fiverr works, the things you should do and the things you shouldn't do, so you don't get yourself locked out by the Fiverr management. So after that, after going through this very carefully, you click on continue. And of course, that's when it brings you all the way right here where you can now enter your personal details, right? You enter your first name right here, and here you enter your last name. And of course, from this angle, you choose like your display name. And basically, it's to help build credibility and authentic connection with your potential customer. Then after that, you scroll up, you enter like your profile picture right here. So I just uploaded my profile picture. And of course, the description says share a bit about your work experience, cool projects you have completed, and your area of expertise. If you don't have any previous work experience, you don't have to worry. But in order for you to stand out, you really want to get this filled out, and the minimum this can go is 150 characters, right? So if you're just starting out, you can simply just write a description of everything you want to do, and it has to be a minimum of 150 characters right here. And once you've done that, you come over here, you select the language. Basically, it's in English. If it's in English, you select English and whatever language that you know you can use to communicate with your customers, right? And once you've done that, you click on continue. So once this is completed, it's time for you to now create your gigs. And now you click on create a new gig, and then you choose a category that fits your skills. Give your gig a title that's very clear and includes relevant keywords. So for example, you can simply say, I'll write 500 word SEO blog post for your website. Also remember to set your pricing based on the type of service and quality you deliver. You can simply start with a basic package and increase prices for premium options. And of course, you want to add a description that's engaging and specific, and that also explains the benefits of why they should be hiring. Choose relevant tags and categories that match the service that you are going to be offering. And of course, be sure to use keywords while writing your description that people are likely to search for. Think about what your potential clients might type in the search bar, and that's what you want to include in your description. So after doing that, the number 3 thing you want to do is delivering quality work and getting reviews. Remember that your first clients are very crucial to building your Fiverr Fiverr reputation. Delivering excellent services will help you build credibility. What you need is communication skills and commitment to delivering on time, and of course, very good work. And here is how you go about this particular aspect. Communicate effectively with your client to understand their needs and of course, their expectations. Always try to deliver your work on time and even ahead of the schedule that you have actually laid out. Once you're able to deliver your work on time, you can simply ask your clients to leave a review after you deliver the service. Positive reviews will help you build trust and attract more clients. Now, the first thing you're going to do is promoting your Fiverr profile, like promoting your Fiverr gig. And of course, why Fiverr brings in the traffic, promoting your gig yourself can help you stand out, and of course, you are going to attain speed much more faster. What you need is just social media accounts and an online presence. Share your Fiverr gig on your social media accounts like Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. You can also use online communities like Reddit or niche Facebook groups to share your Fiverr link where people might actually need your services. If you have a blog, TikTok page, Instagram page, or YouTube channel, mention your services there at every given opportunity that you have. That's definitely going to help push your Fiverr profile to the world at large. Don't spam your links. Share your Fiverr gig in relevant communities where people are already interested in your services. The fifth thing you have to do is scaling your freelance business on Fiverr. Once you've been able to gain traction, you can finally scale your Fiverr freelancing business to the next level. What you need to achieve this is consistency, high quality services, and expanding your offerings. Now, here is how you go about it. Offer additional services as gig extras to increase your revenue per order. Now, raise your prices gradually as you gain experience and positive reviews. Also endeavor to respond to buyer requests on time to find new gigs and clients faster. Once you've been able to do that, at this point, you've made enough money, then you can finally consider upgrading to Fiverr Pro account. Now, consistency is always key. You have to keep delivering high quality work and promote your services regularly to keep attracting new clients. The sixth thing you have to do now is to set up your Fiverr payment method, because now you're making money on Fiverr. Fiverr have a very straightforward payment systems which makes it very easy for you to get paid. What you need is simple, a PayPal account or a bank account depending on your region. So if you're in a region where PayPal is not allowed, you can simply get paid using your bank account. And if you want to know how to open a PayPal account, if you don't have one, simply type this word, how to open a PayPal account, in the comments down below, and I'll do well to make a video showing you how you can open a working PayPal account in your specific regions. And here's how to go about the old payment systems on Fiverr. Once you've completed an order, and every time you complete an order, Fiverr will hold your payment for 14 days for new sellers only, and then deposit it into your Fiverr account. You can then withdraw your earnings via PayPal, bank transfer, or of course the Fiverr revenue card. And of course, you want to familiarize yourself with Fiverr payments policies such as withdrawal limits and processing times to avoid any surprises. And that's how you can start making money on Fiverr as a freelancer, from setting up your account to delivering top-notch work. I've shared the key steps you need to take and build a successful freelancing business. Remember, champions, it takes consistency, quality of work, and a little promotion to make it big on Fiverr. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more freelancing tips. Let me know in the comments what service you are planning to offer on Fiverr. And as always, I'm your host, Blitz Zion. I'll see you in the next video.